If you just got a backstage pass at a Dua Lipa concert and you're looking forward to taking a selfie with her, but realized your camera is not working, don't panic. In this video, we're going to show you a few troubleshooting tips on how you can get your Android phone camera working better again. First thing you're going to want to try is restarting your phone. On a Pixel phone, for example, you can just hold the side button down, restart my phone. That will pull up the restart options. You can shut it down, restart it. We recommend just trying the restart. That's not going to erase anything on your phone and it may fix your problem. Next, make sure that your phone is charged. Plug it in, make sure there's not any lint in there. You see the power symbol up top and your phone is actually charging. Sometimes the camera will stop working if the phone is too low on battery. That just depends on the device you're using, but that could be the issue. Maybe your phone's just too hot. If you're in Dubai, for example, we've got an excessive heat warning today. That could be problematic. If your phone gets too hot, even if you're touching it, if you left it in the glove box or just out on the cement, etc., in the sun, that thing could be malfunctioning, the camera won't be working, all sorts of problems could arise. If you've already tried restarting your phone, it's plugged in, charged, it's not too hot, you're not in the United Arab Emirates, etc., you might want to try force closing the app, the camera app on your phone. To do that, you go to your settings on your phone, then you're going to go into apps, and within there, it's in alphabetical order on my phone, so you're going to scroll down to the C camera in here, and so you can click force stop in there. So you can force stop it, then you can start it back up again. That's another option you can use if nothing else has worked so far. Another option is to clear the cache on your camera. So same situation, you go into your settings, you're going to find the camera app, and then you go to storage and cache and just clear the cache out right there. So that's been known to cause some issues in the past. Something easy to try. Another thing to check in your settings is your storage space. If your phone is totally full of storage, you try to take a picture that's going to add to the storage. Your phone may just not be able to use the camera because of that reason. So you go into your settings, you can click on storage, see how much storage is in there. It looks like I have some available here too, so I should be fine, but if you see that it's totally full, that could be a red flag and you might just need to delete some stuff, clear up your storage. You may also just need to update the apps on your device itself or update the software on your phone. If it's the apps, you just go into the Google Play Store, click on Manage Apps and Device, and you'll see a section that says Updates Pending. You have a bunch of apps in there. If there's an update on the camera app, for example, we recommend updating it. It might be your solution right there. As mentioned earlier, you may want to check your app's permissions in there. Just make sure that the camera is giving permission allow while using the app every time. If you have this checked as don't allow, for example, then your app, the camera app won't even be working. So just make sure that one's checked on. As a last resort, if none of that's working and you're like about to go backstage at the Dua Lipa concert, you're like panicking and sweating because nothing's worked so far, you might just need a factory reset your phone if you have time for that. And you don't have too much saved on your phone. It's going to be a pain for you, but maybe that's your last resort. So you go into your settings to do that. You're going to scroll down to the bottom to System, and then within System, if you go all the way down to the bottom of System, there's Reset Options, and then you can erase all data, factory reset. That's the bottom one. I'm not going to do it for this demo because I don't want to erase everything on my phone, but if you're desperate, you need your camera app to be working, that's your last resort that we'd recommend. I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope you can get your camera up and working again. You can get those selfie photos with your favorite celebrity or standing in front of a pyramid on your vacation, whatever cool thing you want to take pictures of. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.